as we're waiting to start our tour. We've got the quad foxes around our neck. I've got purses around my neck. I've got a fanny belt on, sunglasses just in case, and umpteen layers also. It's only 52 degrees. Come with both Merle and myself. I even brought my poles just in case, because they said there are lots of steps. So our group, Marcello is our leader. Just my own personal comment, and I know others agree with me. I despise group tours. That was a monastery. The new castle. When they were building the metro, it took forever because they found artifacts constantly, including 5 Roman ships. Those are the remains of the 13th century port walls. Neptune's fountain. We will leave the port on foot, and the rugged medieval Castel Nuovo, Newcastle, hovers over us. In the Piazza de Plebiscito, back there is the oldest opera theater. Sonny and I were in here. I will ask you to look back on my old Naples video. Those are the zodiac signs. This is me, Capricorn, the goat. I'm standing on my goat.
Her roommate
There's beautiful pastries. That's the entrance to the Royal Palace right there. Hopefully I said that properly. Enjoy free time in Naples' grandest public square. Here's the top of Galleria Umberto that we walked through. It's all about the opera. We have 20 minutes free time, which is not enough to do any damage unless I just video everything, which I might do. Oh my God. I could happily be buried here or cremated. Look at aren't these wonderful? Wild. Maradona is a local hero here in Napoli. He played for Naples for 7 years, and they consider him the greatest football player ever. But then you'd have to argue that with Pele. Look at these great designer sunglasses or glasses. Those are beautiful. Love them. We are going into the tunnel now.